How to make your hero unbeatable in battle in Whiteout survival. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to make your hero unbeatable in battle in Whiteout survival. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So the first step is heading over to your hero list and determining their rarity. So as you can see right here, those with this orange background means that they're legendary or mythic. So the next thing is this purple right here means they're epic, and this blue right here means they are just a regular rarity. So it's best to focus on the mythic ones rather than the epic and also this one. So make sure to upgrade your mythic heroes. So the next thing in here is, as you can see, this is an example of that. So this is the mythic, this is the epic, and this just a regular one. So from in here, you can see that you need to upgrade those characters that are high in rarity. So this right here is an epic hero, so you can upgrade them. So you can by just clicking this upgrade right here. The next thing is to make sure to upgrade your furnace level also, because this will also affect the skills and attributes of your heroes in battle. The next thing is heading over and upgrading the stars of your hero. So this right here is the stars. Make sure to upgrade that because this will affect their skills and abilities that they have. So in here also, you just need to upgrade their skills right here. So some heroes who are mythic has an additional skills that cannot be obtained by any other heroes. So that makes them unique and strong. So make sure to focus on mythic heroes. But if you have nothing mythic heroes, then you can just upgrade the epic and anything that works out for you. Then you can also upgrade their gear right here. So this yellow or gold gear right here means that this is a mythic gear. So it's best to equip your characters or heroes with mythic gear because it gives them a high boost in abilities and skills. So make sure to equip that. And the last thing is to head over and form a formation that works best for you. So no matter how strong your hero is, he cannot defeat a whole army just by himself. So a formation is a best thing to do. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to make your hero unbeatable in battle in Whiteout survival. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.